Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to master the rich text element in Webflow, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add, customize, and really make the most out of the rich text block for your website. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to use this powerful feature, but you'll also understand how to style it so it fits perfectly with your brand's look and feel. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, let's open up your Webflow project. You'll notice on the left-hand side there's the Elements panel. This is basically your toolbox for building out your site. Go ahead and click on it, and then in the search bar just type rich text. Now, Webflow is really helpful here because the rich text element pops up straight away. It has a kind of classic newspaper feel to start with. You'll see a mock-up with headings, subheadings, paragraphs, maybe a list or two. So right now, what you're looking at is just the default template, a placeholder for your own content. Now let's bring this onto your page. Simply drag the rich text element to where you want it, maybe within a section or inside a grid, wherever you plan on having your main article or post. The beauty of rich text is that it's super flexible. Think of it like adding a Word document right onto your website, but with full control over layout. Once you've dropped it in, double-click inside the box. Here, where you'll start adding your own content, swapping out the dummy text for the actual copy you've written. Headings, body copy, subheadings, even images and links, it all goes in here. Don't worry about getting everything perfect on the first try. You can always come back and edit. The main thing is this rich text block lets you group a lot of information together while keeping it all organized and easy to style. But here, where the real fun begins, customization. Right now, the rich text element uses Webflow's standard styles, the fonts, colors, and spacing that you see by default. But what if you wanted to match your brand's vibe? Maybe you need a special font, distinctive heading colors, or different line heights for readability. No problem, click on the rich text block to select it, and then use the Style panel on the right. You can adjust everything from fonts and colors to how much space there is between elements. For example, if your site has a cool, bold vibe and you want your headings to really stand out, you could pump up the font size and maybe change the color to match your logo. Or if you want your articles to feel calm and minimalist, you might go for lighter colors and more generous spacing. Take your time here, this is where your site's personality can really come through. One thing that's great about rich text is you can also style all the different parts individually: headings, bold text, lists, blockquote. So if you want your subheadings to look a bit different from your main title, or you want to make quotes pop, just click into those items and adjust their styles specifically. And that's really all there is to it. The rich text element in Webflow is super versatile, letting you bring in all your formatted content and keep everything neat and on brand. Don't worry if you need to experiment a little to get the look just right. Play around with it and see what works for your content. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or get stuck at any point. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Webflow tutorials to help you take your site to the next level. Thanks for watching and happy designing.